How to find downloads on iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can find your downloads on your phone if you're using an iPhone. So just go ahead and open your files. When you open your files, it's going to show you this recent section. So go to the browser section. When you click on the browser section, go ahead and click on it again. So you're going to be seeing iCloud on my phone and then recently deleted. So you can see these are my favorites files, my downloads. So these are your downloads. So if you don't want to use this method, just go ahead and click on my iPhone. So depending on your settings, so you might be downloading stuff directly to your iCloud. If you are doing downloading stuff directly to your iCloud, go ahead and click iCloud Drive and look for downloads. So here is your downloads. If you are downloading stuff directly to your phone, you can go ahead and click on my iPhone and then look for downloads. And here are your downloads. So if this video is really helpful, guys, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.